Netflix, since I talked about this, had this huge ghost print. The point is, this is now your line in the sand if you're chasing this short. 333 broke down 328.58. I like that level, and it's sitting on 320. Let's call it, 324. So if it bounces up to here, I think that'd be a nice place for a reshort. We get some nice levels lower, typically, and not always. Okay, not always, but typically when you get into this 10-week tag, they're trying anyway, to keep it above. If we get down to this 322 on a weekly, it's going to be a very nice high conviction short down to 306. Let's just see how we are this morning. All right, and Tesla continues to really digest that 186, which is just massive volatility around this monthly level. Anyway, it failed miserably, and it continued down right into this kind of 180 area. Again, 178, 176 would be the next area of price target. We take that out, we're going to head down to this 174.30. But watch for, the funny business. Well, they monetize those puts in Tesla and then bring it back up. Netflix fell like 12% yesterday, and then paired that immediately. Lower guide, softer subscription numbers, but stronger free cash flow, and that's basically why the results were bought. The stronger free cash flow. So the growth they know is definitely declining. Okay, Tesla's the ugly open, so let's just go there. Tesla, excuse me, had a gap down, and it is really without any support here. I would say, intraday, this level, right? So that was a fabulous short into this, what we're just going to call it 177, but I've got two levels here, 176.5, 177, 178, and it bounced very strongly. And then it's just been chopping and winding. And then once it broke through, that was the price target I gave again. It's going to go revisit. Now let's see if it can get supported. On a daily, we're right here, 177.35. So 177.35 is literally the level that needs to break next to keep rolling over into that, basically not just 174, but 171. So right now they're going to monetize those puts, wouldn't be surprised. Oh gosh, Netflix is finally getting hit. Very, very nice. All right. So again, perception versus reality. They might have bought that on stronger cash flows, but the numbers were poor. They definitely missed on top and bottom line, and they guided lower. And the market's saying, yeah, we're not gonna give this a pass. So this is where you need to stay below this 325. Here is that 320.5. And we're coming into a 100-day intraday. You can see this level by level. It's not, I would say, hold on, we get the 55, excuse me, the 100 and the 50. What's the 50? 317.5. I still like this price target of 313.39. But yes, we are coming into a little bit of support. The puts may try to monetize right here. All right, so there's that 50 that I mentioned near the open, and the 100 short-term support. Tesla, same thing. This 178 short-term support, or 177, doesn't matter. The point is they're monetizing right out of the gate. But we break this level. You can see where we've gotten a dip below it, then got right back up. We break this 177.37. We can have a little bit more of a two-way market, but earnings are after the close, right? So very, very tough to position with extremely high IV for this week's Tesla calls. Netflix, again, that's the 100 and that's the 50. That's first area of support for Netflix. They're monetizing those puts. Tesla, I just put it on a 15-minute to show how those puts got monetized at 178. Not a surprise. We got Netflix rolled over, got intraday defended at the 100 and the 55, but still sets up a really nice, bounce then trounce. So I would say swing trades down to this 306 area. After these puts get monetized, we get a little bit of an intraday bounce. For example, that was support. After hours, it's support again, right? Very nice. And then Tesla, that was support. Here, it's support again. Just keep in mind, earnings after the close, I don't have an edge on what they're going to do.